Knitting Tutorials by Miarti. Cast on a multiple of 6 stitches and add 5 stitches for symmetry to form the base. Row 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 5, and knit 1 stitch to begin the sequence. Alternate purl 5 and knit 1 stitch until the end of the row. Row 2. Work all stitches as they appear by knitting the knit stitches and purling the purl stitches. Row 3. Work all stitches as they appear across the row. Row 4. Work all stitches as they appear across the row. Row 5. Purl all the purl stitches as they appear. Insert the needle 4 rows below the knit stitch, pull up a loop, and make a yarn over. Insert the needle 3 rows below, pull up a loop, make a yarn over, then repeat 2 rows below to create the shell section. Insert the needle 1 row below, pull up a loop, make a yarn over, and knit the main stitch. Continue working all knit stitches this way until the end of the row. Row 6. Knit all regular knit stitches and knit the yarn overs together with their loops carefully. Row 7. Purl 5, knit 1, and alternate this sequence until the end of the row. Row 8. Work all stitches as they appear across the row. Row 9. Work all stitches as they appear across the row. Row 10. Work all stitches as they appear across the row. Row 11. Work the exact same stitch sequence as row 5. Row 12. Work the exact same stitch sequence as row 6. Pattern repeat. Repeat the pattern from row 1 to row 12 to continue the project.